Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your services from eTrade, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your services from eTrade, begin by logging into your eTrade account. Access the eTrade website and enter your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. Look for options related to account settings or account services. Select the Close Account or Cancel Services option. Carefully read through the information presented regarding account closure. Make sure to review any terms and conditions associated with cancellation. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process. You may be required to fill out a cancellation form. Ensure that all necessary fields are completed accurately. After submitting the form, check your email for confirmation messages. Keep an eye on any communication from eTrade regarding your cancellation. Once confirmed, monitor your account for any unusual activity. If you encounter issues, contact eTrade customer support for assistance. Confirm that there are no outstanding transactions before finalizing the cancellation. Be mindful of any fees associated with the account closure. After successfully canceling, safely store or delete any relevant documents. With these steps, your eTrade services will be properly canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.